What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chrysler Voyager remote key fob. This Voyager key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here on the side that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom, what I'm going to do is use the key to pry up on this back cover. So I'm just going to put it in the space just a little bit like that in this slot right here. And then once the tip of that's in there, I'll just use it to pry up on the cover like that. And then once the cover's started, you can pull it the rest of the way off with your fingers like that. And now we see our battery right here. And in the battery holder, there's this notch right here. What you can do is get that key under the edge of the battery like that, and it'll help get it out of that holder. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And we're going to kind of tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we'll snap the back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.